Hi guys, it's a little more than a year later since I built this bed. Actually almost 2 years since I built this bed, and I remember just showing you guys a less than 3 minutes of how I built this bed, and I think I left a few questions unanswered, but I thought I would give you guys an update and show you guys my bed and answer a few things. So the first thing is the height of the bed. I'm going to stand up and show you. This is it. Including bedding, it's around 110 centimeters high. It's 3 drawers. If this is too high for you, I would advise you to get only 2 sets of drawers. So 1, 2 instead of 1, 2, 3. As you can see, I did end up doing the trimming on the board of the bed. I didn't do that when I first built the bed. I thought it was unnecessary, but then I ended up doing it because it does look a lot neater this way and a lot cleaner. This is how I get up on the bed. I have the little stool and the laundry bin. That is how I get up on the bed. And on the other side of the bed, I also have a little stool. I'm going to insert a picture here for you guys to see it. And now I'm going to show you me climbing the bed, going to the other side, because I have 9 drawers on the other side that I also use, just to show you how I get in and out of bed. So the bed is 140 centimeters wide by 200 centimeters long. I later came to find out that that is the size of a queen bed. I didn't know that. And the distance from one wall to another, because the bed covers the complete distance, is around 2 meters and 30 centimeters. That's why this fit perfectly. Yeah, I really love it actually. I have not regretted getting this, and I think it was a really simple and quick DIY, and I would encourage anyone who wants to do this DIY hack to do it and to enjoy it. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions regarding the bed, just write it in the comments. I will try to answer as much as I can, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.